Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. I'm exhausted. Really am, actually. Beyond exhausted now. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. What a day. Well, hard work does pay off, but at some point you got to go, do you know what? What the hell? I can't do anymore. I'm trying to... Oh, look at that.
Ascent Solar Technologies Incorporated has become a member.
Fantastic. Ascent Solar Technologies has just become a member of our channel. Asti, they're going to be live on our show soon here in the studio in person. Fantastic. That happened live there. What a wonderful moment that was. That is Asti, Ascent Solar Technologies. Fantastic. We're very excited to have them live on my studio. It's part of that in the studio. It's part of the Meet the CEO series. We've done several CEOs already and many more planned in the future. Very excited, and now they've become a member of our family here live on the show. Fantastic. All right, I'll put that out as a video later. That was an amazing moment. Asti. So Asti at top. How about that? How about it? How about it? How many people saw that live? Not everyone's in yet. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool moment, that. Right. What's going on here? Oh, that's better. Wasn't playing on the screen there for a minute. Oh, that was cool. Was that cool or what? It's another milestone. It's another milestone. Now got corporations becoming partners in our show. A regular member like you guys, part of the team. Mike, I did see that. Thank you for letting me know. Let's welcome everybody on. Can't get it out of my mind. It's my favorite song. Here he comes now. Thanks, Mike. Oh, we can call it today, mate. Well, you need to stop for a while. Hi, hello all. Welcome, Asti. Welcome, Asti. Fantastic. Lucas Aids. Yes. Oh, that was cool. Welcome, Asti. Richard Tandy, keyboard musician for Electric Light Orchestra. Yes, I did see that. Thank you very much. I tell you what I want to do. I'm trying to think. No, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I was just trying to think now. Doesn't matter. John Granfor holding 2,099 shares of Asti. Yes, they're now coming into my studio with some solar panels. Right. Shall we look at my portfolio? The very definition of staying invested. $80,203. Just about sat on an all-time high. Lovely. Not quite. Just about there. So I don't know why I did the cheers. I shouldn't have done the cheers, should I? But I did. It's because it's all happening now, of course, because of Apple earnings tonight. So, yeah. Anyway, let's bring a few things up to date. Let me see where I am. I've got a few things here. Chris Schultz. Thank you, Chris. I see your comments. Thank you. I will deal with that later. I've just dropped a quick thank you in there. What is this one here? That's not my name. Just got a friend request that looked like you, but I presume it's someone trying to impersonate you, which with underscores before and after their name. Yes, correct. Yep. Not me. Please be careful. Okay, take that, done that. Suggestions. Let me just refresh that. I'm just dealing with Discord at the moment. Pending. Pending. Members. Okay, members. Let me just do this. Message. Done that. Just trying to keep up to date with this. Message. Right, I've got a message here. I just got to do this. From a new member or someone trying to come into the channel. Discord non-member. There we go. Right, send that to you. Delete that. Back to members. Okay, no one else needs upgrading. No more links for YouTube. Okay, we're all good. No worries, cheers. That's not my name. Yeah, you're welcome. That's all dealt with. Right, extra channels fine. I'm just catching up with a few things. I've been putting out videos all day and I've not caught up with myself. So, live chat. Yeah. We're just coming up to 23,000 subscribers as well, which is nice. Now then, I have put out some information for you guys that you might find interesting. We've got Apple earnings in a minute. Let me refresh that. Just tidying up the desk a minute. The virtual desk, if you like. Can you do a review on Synth? Looks like an accumulation is present. I can only do reviews for my YouTube. Whoops, daisy. YouTube members. All right. Okay. I'm going to come to your questions in a minute. I'm just trying to get through everything before we go into earnings. Last thing to do, just bear with me a second, guys, folks. I'm just trying to catch up with myself. Joby. Just uploading this last video. I'll just share with you what I'm doing. IBRX. It's just going out now. Upload video. IBRX is the last one. IBRX. This was for Chris Schultz. IB content. IBRX. There it is. Just got to put this out. Then I'll come to your questions. IBRX. Okay, put that in. I'm just showing you what I'm doing so you know exactly what I'm doing. Finance. There you go, because I've got an audience on Rumble as well. IBRX. Update. There it is. This is a really important stock as well because there's a big major breakthrough in cancer treatment. So it's not only an opportunity to invest and make money, it's also A wonderful thing to have. Upload. Yes, me. Yes, yes, yes. Right, done. Okay. Back to the chart. That's all done. Now then, we're all straight and clear. Marvelous. Right. So let's look at what's moving. Let's answer your questions as well. Let's come into here. Where did we get to? Welcome, Asti. Yes, you all saw that. It was very cool, wasn't it? I'm off and home early. Jason Davis. Well, once your video uploads, of course, you'll get notified of it. And you can see your video. Congratulations, got 5,000. Kevin B, really great. Asti, members of the channel now. Hey up, Banana Heads. I love it. Awesome to have them as a member. Welcome, Ascent Solar and Asti. Smash the button, like button. Welcome, Asti. In fact, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a video out of that because you're all doing it now. You're all doing it. So if you want to say thank you, welcome to Asti. They're going to be on the show. It's not a bad idea. It's a very good idea, actually. 10 cents. The stock has experienced elevated. Let me have a look at the market cap of this now. What's the market cap now? Market cap need just 2 million. Wow. Not very much at all, is it? May the 13th. Earnings. Right. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do a nasty video. This is really, really cool. So I'm going to give everyone 30 seconds now. If you want to leave a comment, please do. I'm going to put them all in favorites and I'm going to use all these. And we're going to make an Asti video. This is really good. Lucas AIDS, that was cool. Welcome, Asti. So if you want to do a comment, you can. Holding. Cheers. Wow, I missed. Congratulations. Awesome to have them as a member of Welcome Ascent Solar. Wow, look at all these. This is the members. Welcome, Asti. Fantastic. Congratulations, Martin. Yeah, it's very, very cool, isn't it? On your way to 1 million. Actually, I'm not sure what that is. I need to translate that. Nasdaq has been going up. They're my favorite man in the whole world. Hiya, Sam. How are you, mate? Bigger change. Who thinks Apple stock will be up or down tomorrow? We'll cover that in a minute. But I think it will be down, James. So do I. By the way, I'm adding to Asti as fast as I can. Of course, you want to. It will go up when they come on my show. I'm sure of that. It's going to be a great video. Right. Okay. Let me do it. Asti. So, I think I can do this as well. Recent events. I'll be able to replay that back. Yes, I can. Good. So here we go. Okay, so it's 20 past, Asti at top, and at, this is probably what I'm going to use anyway, 20. Welcome to the family, Asti. This is good. Welcome in, Asti. Okay, welcome to the family, Asti. Look at this. Right, you ready? Okay, here we go. I'm going to make a video now. This is going to be very, very cool. When this goes out, I'm sure this is going to, we can do something here. So, let me think now how I'm going to do this. Solar. Space. Look at it go. It's already going. Look, it won't take much to move this stock at all. This is really, really exciting. So I'm just trying to prepare the best way possible for this. Right. Okay. I know exactly what I want to do. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Coming up very, very shortly, very special guest, Asti, Ascent Solar Technologies will be on my, on what, let's do that again. That was rubbish. That was rubbish. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Just a few moments ago, live on the show, this happened. Watch, I'm going to replay it for you. It happened live in our show. Very exciting. And here it comes. This happened a few moments ago.
Ascent Solar Technologies Incorporated has become a member.
Fantastic. They've become a member, part of our family. So thank you and welcome to the Lucas Age. Welcome to the family. This is absolutely fantastic. This is part of the Meet the CEO series. I've met CEOs in the past and I've got many more coming up. Oh, look at that. Fantastic.
Rallo1 donated $2 through a super chat. Welcome to the family, Asti.
Fantastic. This is great. We've done CEOs in the past and we've got many more coming up. I've even got in my sights Sir Richard Branson and Elon Musk. They will be on my show. You've heard me say it here first, all right? It's going to happen. This is very, very exciting. We are doubling our rate of growth every month. We're gaining 1,000 subscribers a month, 98% of our live viewers are members, the highest of any channel in the world.
Vincent Fosberg donated $3 through a super chat. Go Asti.
Fantastic. And look at the stock go up as we talk about it. Let me bring in some of the comments that happened here live. This is very, very exciting. John Granfort says, welcome, Asti. Lucas A's 007, welcome. Oh, that was cool, Asti. We like that. These are our members. They are your investors. They are loving it. Holding 2,599 shares of Asti. Awesome to have them as a member. Welcome. Isn't that great? And Asti, welcome, Asti. Just know I am the coolest member. There you go. Said herself. Congratulations, Martin. Thank you very much. But it's all down to you guys. That's why CEOs want to be on our show. On your way to 1 million. Yes, we will be in 7 years at 10 million subscribers, which will make us the biggest financial channel in the world, bar none. By a long way. Our growth is going there. We are following that trajectory. Welcome in Asti. I bought 17,000 shares of Asti. Let's go. How about that? People buying as we talk about it. Welcome to the family. Asti. We've got super chats coming in. We've got support coming in. Now, if you are a CEO of a company or if you are an investor and you would like your company on our show, your CEO on our show, let me tell you how it works. Below the video in the description of this video is a invite the CEO video. Go and use that and it explains how they can be on the show. But most importantly, please do go and set up a Facebook page, a group, a Reddit channel around your favorite company. I will provide you all the earnings, the news, the breaking news, the interviews with the CEOs and all of it. And you can build a business and a community around your favorite stock. And I will provide you all the content you need. Become a member of our family. You can send in links to cover breaking news. I'm live 12 hours a day. I am always here. I'm not going anywhere. And small caps like this, small companies like this, we can actually see take off and go literally to the moon. Look at that. There's another one. Look at that. Welcome.
Has donated £1.99 through a super chat. Welcome, Asti. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Welcome. This is fantastic. So become part of our family. Now, full disclosure, because if you're thinking, okay, what is this? A pump and dump channel? It's all about making money for Martyn Lucas, or what is it all about? No, it's not. And I will show you what we're all about, what this channel is about. I'm actually the world piano man as voted by Sir Elton John. I've toured all over the world as an entertainer. I'm here to help people, not to take advantage of the stock market. This is my real money, all of my real money here invested in the stock market, all from $5,000 to $80,000, only in one stock. I am only in the S&P 500. There is my position. You can see 99.97. The reason why it's not 100%, I've won a few shares of Apple. Otherwise, it would be 100%. I'm not here to pump and dump the stock. It doesn't bother me whether stocks go up, down, left, right, or sideways. So you know the information will always be real, will always be honest. It's here for my members and my viewers. That's it. I want them to make money. What I want is to grow the most honest, most live channel in the world, and also to be able to help people, our charities that we support, and all the rest of it. That's all I want. And I also want to bring the world great businesses, great companies that fix things. Maybe it's a cure for cancer, or maybe it's, in Asti's case, putting solar panels in space and powering spaceships as we land on Mars. Whatever it might be, I am here to grow and build a family of investors and help and support great businesses. That's what we're all about. This is behind the scenes. We're live 12 hours a day, every single trading day. And that is what this channel is all about. So it was a wonderful moment when Asti decided to become a member of our channel. And again, please note, they are not a sponsor. They are not paying me to influence the stock. Oh, hang on, what's this?
Stacey Bailey donated $5 through a super chat. Welcome Asti, my dad was just diagnosed with cancer, so glad to have you aboard. And I am the coolest member still.
Thank you for sharing that information. And what this actually means, and I want to share this again with you, this is the moment that Asti became a member of our channel. They're not sponsoring the channel. They're not paying me to make videos. They're not paying me to say they're great. They are simply a member.
Vaz donated £1.99 through a super chat.
Oh, that was Vaz. Where is the one? This is the one I was trying to show you. This one here. Here we go. It'll come up in a second. And let's see if we can get this to play. Here we go. This was Asti when they became a member of our channel. They are simply supporting the channel just like everybody else is a member. Fantastic. Anyway, it might play or it might not. I've already played it twice. It might not want to come through again. Let me try again. Anyway, there we go.
Ascent Solar Technologies Incorporated has become a member.
Fantastic. Great stuff. There you go. So if you want to be a member of our family, or you're a CEO, you want to be on the show, know you're in great company with the most engaged members and investors of any channel in the world. Yes, we are small, but we're growing and doubling every single month. Very, very exciting.
Ascent Solar Technologies
it's going to keep playing it now. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here for more information. I'm going to send this video off to Asti, tag them in this, and link it with their YouTube channels so they get to see this. And we're very excited to have Paul Worley, the CEO of, it's going to keep playing now, of the company live in my studio.
Ascent Solar Technologies Incorporated has become a member.
I can't stop it now. It's just doing it by itself. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, no idea why it keeps playing. All right, maybe it'll stop in a minute. All right, let's come back over to the main thing. Asti is doing nothing, says Eric. Well, maybe things might be different when they come into my studio. What do you think about that? We rank #1 for the stock. Everyone gets to hear about it in a way that's exciting and fun and honest and real. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm in for 10,000 shares. Oh, Jason Davis. Flipping heck, mate. Flipping heck, mate. ASTI. Is it moving up now? It won't take much to move this stock. Oh, yes. It's up 2% now. Look at that. Yeah, it won't take much at all to move this stock at all. Yeah, let's go Asti. Shay Majors, full-time employees. 16. What does that mean? I've got no employees. I've got no employees at all, and I'm going to be the best, most honest live YouTube channel in the world. Do I need to employ 1 million people to make that happen? No, I don't. I could do it on my own. I've got my army here. Sorry to hear about your dad. Prayers from our family to yours. Yes, indeed. ETORO doesn't have ASTI, and 212 has small order limits. You're a great musician, but this is a pump and dump stuff. Eric, Phil Singer, that is ridiculous. You're not a member of our channel. You're making up stuff. I appreciate you saying I'm a great musician. That's very kind of you. However, I am not a pump and dump stuff, whatever that means. I don't own the stock. I don't benefit from the stock going up or down. So how can I possibly be a pump and dump stuff, whatever that is? I've just shared with you on the screen my portfolio. This is my portfolio. It's 100% the S&P 500. And I'm pretty sure that ASTI isn't even in the S&P 500, as if it made a difference. How much were you going to buy? Stacey Bay, sorry to hear that. Yes, we are all very sorry to hear that. I was looking to buy about 1,500 for Banters. Fares. I mean, you still can if you are patient. $10 at a time. ASTI, don't forget to join the extra channel. Yeah, I could only buy 100. I wonder, hang on a minute. I wonder if they answer the phone. I'm just calling ASTI on the phone. I doubt if they'll answer. Would be amazing if they did.
Hey, it's Spencer. Leave your name and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Bye.
His voicemail is not working properly, I don't think. Let me see if I can get Spencer. Hi, Spencer. It would be really good if he picked up the phone. Just calling you on... live on as you became a member. Please pick up. Let's see if he this is exciting. Hi, is John there, please? It's Martyn Lucas. He just called me. Yeah, I'm Martyn Lucas from YouTube. Okay. John, good afternoon. How are you? I missed your call. You're going to find this quite entertaining. I think I'm live on air right now. I'm on our show. No one can hear your voice. I got to. You're just in my ear on my phone, and I just been telling everybody that I've been speaking to you because a lot of our investors are here talking about your stock, and we just had a moment when one of our CEOs from another company became a member live on the channel, and everyone started buying the stock, and it's quite exciting. So I just saw your number and I thought I would call you back because you were asking about being on the show. If you've got a couple of minutes, if you pop into the live show, I will talk to you on screen and I'll answer your questions. And all the members, all the investors will also be excited to see you pop in as well, I'm sure. excuse me. It's Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. So if you go onto YouTube, it's Martyn Lucas Investor. Can you see I'm live right now? Okay, fantastic. Okay, if you just come into the chat, into the live chat, and say hello, everybody will say hello to you too, and give me any questions you want, and I'll answer you live. I know this is a bit unusual doing it live on the show, but we like to be entertaining and engaging in our audience. They absolutely love all this kind of thing, so it's very exciting. There you go. That's me. That's me talking to you. Fantastic. All right. Okay. I'm going to get back to the audience now. I'm going to bring up your stock on the screen and ask me some questions that you wanted to know, and I will explain how it all works. Fantastic. Cheers. There you go. There you go. That was the CEO of WidePoint. Very, very exciting indeed. They want to be on my show. This is very, very cool. Just give me a moment to clear the screen. And just looking at this right now, looking at these messages. Now then, you'll see any moment now, John, or it might be WidePoint, coming into the chat and say hello. So let me share with you the stock. Now, one of our members, I believe, contacted the investor relations, I believe, of this company. And you'll see him come in a second. There you go. There's WidePoint on the stock. So on the screen. Now, just a few moments ago, if you weren't here, we had a very exciting moment. We had the CEO of ASTI, Sensei Technologies, become a member of the channel live on air, and everybody started to buy the stock because you know it's going to be very, very exciting. So now on the phone, just a few seconds ago, I was talking to John, and in a few moments you'll see him come in the chat, or maybe his business will come in. I don't know how it will work, but there you go. Isn't this exciting? This is what it's all about. If you've just tuned in, and John, you're listening now, what this is about, it's part of our Meet the CEO series. In fact, I'll wait until he's in, and then I can speak to him, and you can all talk to him as the investors, and you can tell him what you think of the channel and what it would be like for him to be on the show, and so on and so forth. So we'll just give him a few moments to be able to be in the chat. Just come into the chat, John, and we will. We'd like to welcome you in. So we'll just wait for that to happen. Let me just come back to these questions here. Chris Schultz. Hello, Chris. How are you? Sorry, I mean WidePoint. Yes, it's WidePoint. WYY is the stock. Vincent Vosberg, WidePoint. Look at this. We've got the investors now. I don't know if you're watching, you're in yet, John, but can you see on the screen, we've got investors here putting your name on the screen and super chatting, which promotes the video and all the rest of it. We'll just give it a moment. I'm sure John will be in the live chat. He didn't expect me to call him up. He was probably very busy doing important things, and then all of a sudden, he's live on the show. What's going on? Anyway, that's how we do things here, as you know. Let me read some of these comments. Vincent Vosberg, let me go up here. Stacey Bailey, my mum in the last 12 years had breast cancer, so Mike can fully understand and relate to you. Vaz
donated £1.99 through a super chat. Can you call Henrik Fisker too?
Can I call Henrik Fisker? Some of the members have already contacted Henrik Fisker to be on the show. I'm waiting to hear from him. I bet All Short has got alert now. What, the stock's going up? Yes, of course. Vaz, apologies. I mean Vaz, about that MSK. We're just waiting to see if John appears in the chat. It's WidePoint is the name of the company. I know you're all very excited. You'll hear all about it in a moment, I'm sure. Just keeping our fingers crossed he can come into the live chat. I'm waiting. If it dips even more, I might grab some. Sorry, who is calling? The CEO of WidePoint.
Vincent Vosberg donated $10 through a super chat. Wide Point.
Wide Point. There we go. Now, if you're unfamiliar what Wide Point is and what's going on, this is just a live moment. I wanted to jump on this only because we just had another CEO joining us on the show just a few moments ago, and it's a bit of a wild, crazy moment. Wide Point. This is what Wide Point is for those of you who don't know. Wide Point engages in the provision of technology management as a service. The firm is involved in providing managed services for government and commercial clients that include identity management, secure mobility, managed services, telecom lifecycle management, digital billing and analytics, and information technology as a service. The company was founded on May the 30th, 1997, and is headquartered in Fairfax, VA. The listed name is WYY, Wide Point. And we're just hoping that John will be able to be in the chat on YouTube. I don't know if he'll be signing in with his company's YouTube channel or his own or somebody in the office. I don't know. But we'll wait and see. Hopefully, the magic will happen and we can talk directly with the CEO live on the show just for a moment. Anyway, let's see what happens. Let me read some more comments. Martyn Lucas Investor is a legend because we never know what is going on the channel. You never know. That's right. That's the point of it, right? Keeps everybody on their toes. We love him. All right. Vaz is calling Asti. Yes. Is it Asti? No, we just had Asti on the show a few moments ago. They became a member of our channel. You may have seen that. Hang on a minute. Hi, Martyn. I'm not able to join the chat, but I am watching your live video still. Can we take this offline for now, please? I understand. So let me just talk to you, John, and explain what is happening right now. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 12 hours a day. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio, and we aim to grow the most live, most honest, real channel in the world. And we are on target to be the biggest financial channel within 7 years. That will be 10 million subscribers. And what's happening here is we are gaining 1,000 subscribers a week, and 98% of our live viewers are members. Which is the highest engagement rate of any channel on earth, more than Mr. Beast. It's the most engaged channel ever. And why I built this channel was because COVID ended my touring career. I couldn't perform shows, so I decided to build the best live streaming studio on YouTube and Rumble and every other platform. And this is it here. And I go live 12 hours a day to help people, support people, and just provide information. Now, I'm not here to pump and dump stocks. I don't own any stocks. The only stock I own is the S&P 500. All my money is here, and all I'm trying to do is bring great businesses to the world, share stories, and help people invest in a very simple but entertaining, fun way. Over the last couple of years, we've had CEOs on the show. I've got my target set on Elon Musk or Richard Branson. I've had CEOs before talking to you, and I've got about 20 lined up over the next few months coming on the show. And what they tell me, John, is they like to be on the show because it's not like CNBC, Mad Money, Jim Cramer, Bloomberg. It's more personal, it's real, and it's for the everyman. It's not just for the billion-dollar investor or whatever, and yet we do have very wealthy investors. It's for everybody to understand what it is to invest, to get involved, and we like to interview you and get to know your business and share it with the world. That's what it's all about. So to be on my show, I sent you the information of how you can be on the show. You would actually call in via a video call, and you would talk about your business and whatever and share information. I will make a promotion video. I will edit the video down, put it out as you see. And what I asked you was if you'd like to become a member of our channel, which is a couple of bucks a month. The reason for that is, as you can see, a few moments ago, just before you came in, ASTI, a company, ticker symbol ASTI, they decided to be a member of our channel, and the channel went berserk because everybody started buying the stock, because everyone loves to support the businesses that are excited to be on our show. That's what it's about. And that's why we rank number one for most of the stocks that we cover, because we get excited, we get passionate about it. People really care and support the channel, and we all grow together. So if you'd like to be on the show, we invite you to become a member. You don't have to, but we invite you to. It's a couple of bucks. It's not about the money. It's just so when you are in the chat, or when you are at any point, you can come on in the chat. Somebody from your company can come in and say, hey, some great news today. We are doing this at the company. Obviously, we appreciate it's all public knowledge. We're not after inside information, just public knowledge. And what it does, it creates an atmosphere within our audience. They get excited that they are talking to the CEO. They feel engaged with the company. The world has become so different since COVID. People want to feel they can reach out and touch the things they invest in. They want to know that they can speak with the CEO, that the CEO can call in and leave messages and be part of the family. That's what it's about. And people invest in what they know and understand. And so many people are left confused with the traditional ways to learn about investing. And that's why I'm here, to help people, to bring them the facts. Never pump and dump, never promote anything. I'm not, if you're on my show, I'm not here to tell everybody you're the greatest CEO in the world, which I'm sure you are, but I'm here to get to know you and share your story with everyone. So I hope that this was an easy way to communicate with me. I know it's a bit unusual. I know you would have preferred perhaps a private conversation, but I'm on air 12 hours a day, and I haven't got time for that, I'm afraid. But now you know how it works. If you'd like to do it, reply back via email. I'll send you the information, how you call in, and if you want to become a member, you can, and we can go from there. I hope that makes sense. I know it's unusual, and you're thinking, what is going on? I was busy at work, and then this guy who toured with Elton John phones me up. What's going on? Anyway, that's what's going on. It's a real family. We're here to help support you, promote your business in an honest way that's entertaining and fun, and bring your story to the world. I hope you heard all of that. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and sorry to interrupt you at work. There we go. All right. I think I caught him out a bit. I think I caught him out a little bit. What do you reckon? Anyway, let me read the comments. Let me see what we've got here. Martyn Lucas is a legend because we never know what's going to happen. You don't. Vaz is calling Asti. Is it Asti? No, we were speaking to Asti earlier. They just became a member. Best YouTube channel in the world? Yes, John. Can we get Henrik Fisker on the show? Well, you never know. Wide Point is the name of the company. I'm loving it. £10. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to reply back. Hi, Martin. I'm not able to join the chat. That's fine. Reply. Hi, John. Did you hear my message to you? Thank you, Martin. All right, John, I've just emailed you to see if you heard my message. Just reply back and say, yeah or no, I didn't. All right, I wanted that call to Vaz. I think he should call Sir Elton John. Now, that would be easier. It'd be easier for me to call Elton John than it would be to call Elon Musk or anybody else for that matter. I got 5,000 shares. Let's go. Wade Point, Vincent Vosberg. Yes, it's going to be big. Hello, John from Wide Point. Welcome to the channel. What's Wide Point? Well, we just discussed a little bit with you there. Smash the like button. The best stocks to get. Let's go. No, really, I am Stacey Bailey. What exactly is Wide Point? He should call Elvis. John from Wide Point, welcome. Just to let you know, there is an extra channel too. Nice one, James. Nice one, James. You're right there, mate. You're absolutely right there. Let me see if he responds to me. I'm sure he's like, what is going on here? I feel sorry for him, really. He's at work doing busy stuff, and there's me calling him up. Sorry to hear that, brother. Prayers from your family to yours, indeed. Of course, we're talking we're talking about Stacey Bailey's family there. We will find out, and I also super chatted a review. So let's to go. This is great. Thanks, John. I just bought more. Martin, by chance, is there any video tutorials that I could watch? Yes, yes. John did get the information. Yes, I will check. Yes, and get back to. Fantastic. There you go. Lovely stuff. That was exciting. Martin, by chance, is there, oh, by the way, John, if you're still listening, you can rewind this video back and explain it all, past live streams. It lives forever on the channel, so you can always see it. We are coming up to the bell. It looks like we're going to have to get ready now for the Apple earnings tonight. Martin, by any chance, is there any video tutorials that I could watch how you make and edit your videos here on YouTube? Zero. What I do, if you want to know how I make my videos, there isn't a video. But what you can do, there's two options for you. You can either be a member of the channel and you get one-on-one training with me. I provide 1 hour a month to you if you are a gold member. So basically you pay me like, I think $25 for an hour of my time. That's one thing that you can do. The other thing you can do, which is for free, is you can watch the extra channel. You can watch the extra channel, which is live 12 hours a day. And in between shows, when I'm editing videos, I tell everybody how I'm doing it. I tell you, I literally talk through the process of what I'm doing, and you can actually see what I'm doing, and I'll explain it to you. So there you go. All right. I've just had an email from Rivian. Rivian are asking me if they can be on the show. Rivian. I've just watched your Rivian video. I've got an email here from an investor relations team to ask if Rivian could be on the show. Amazing, right? There you go. I believe that they are cutting costs and got more contracts. So next earnings, I think it will go boom. Watch the video. Vincent Vosberg. John, will you beat earnings? Thanks, Martyn Lucas, Martyn Investor, for explaining WidePoint and the nature of the business. You're welcome. Nice, Rallo one. ASTI experienced elevated volatility on Robinhood. I hadn't heard of WidePoint prior to now. Now you have. Absolutely. Thanks, Martin. I've been talking about it and in Discord, and did a review and brought on the drop. So let's go. Go, says John Granfor. Vaz, why is this a good stock? Well, we're going to find out. We need to speak to the CEO, don't we? Watch the review. It is at all-time lows. Low float, spending going down, renewed contracts and new contracts. AI will blow up this year when the new computers come out. Security, but what do I know exactly? What do I know? Hi all, hope you all had made money today. It's approximately, it's proprietary flexible solar panels. That's ASTI you're talking about now, not WidePoint. At a very low stock price right now. It looks average to me. No big moves or great all-time highs, except when it first came out. Yep. Maybe it won't, but next year it may. So it may be long-term hold. Martin, you are priceless. I'm not so sure John agreed. He's thinking, what's going on? Who's this bloke phoning me up? But I love high risk and I do not know a lot on this one. So just curious. We need to find out. I once again agree with Stacey Bailey. I am yet to be convinced. Exactly. I am gun shy since Fisker. Okay, best wishes. I have been wrong before. DXYZ is tanking. MSK, me too. Don't buy it. I'll buy more. MSK, did you just buy FSRN? Chris, humbling experience. Haha. Reminded me that FOMO is bad. You should never chase a stock. That's absolutely right. 3,000 Fisker shares now. I pray FSRN come back to glory, but I might personally lose. But I personally lost 1,200. All I had at the time, learning lesson for me. Absolutely right. DXYZ is a sensitive subject. Chris Schultz, I was down almost 50,000 at one point. Ouch. Yeah, some stocks are only here to teach us lessons. That is correct. That is correct. Martin, your video was just reshared again on StockTwits by IRBX, the one from last night. You are joking. They are sharing the video on StockTwits. Fantastic. Let me go and have a look. Let me go to StockTwits right now. Let's have a look at it. We've got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. Apple earnings. Likes the video, look at that, likes the video, like your message, liked your message, like, everyone likes it, right? What can I say? Bloody hell, that's a lot, isn't it? Where is the video? You said someone just shared it on StockTwits. Let me have a look. I don't see where you're seeing that. I wanted to reach out to them, but I don't see that. Let me just refresh that. What did you say? Somewhat. Who's sharing it? Let me have a look. Joby stock, Joby Aviation set to take off. Which one was it you're talking about? The new. I don't see anyone's shared it. Do you mean on X? Maybe you mean X. Ah. No, not Joby. Beg your pardon. I don't know what you mean. Oh, I see. Hang on a minute. IBRX. Can you do a review? I don't see. I'd like to know what you mean. I don't see what you're saying. Your video was just reshared again on StockTwits. I don't see it. The one from last night. I beg your pardon. Now I understand. No, I was thinking that doesn't make any sense. All right, now, okay. Let me scroll down. That was the repost. The next time, send me the link. Oh, there we go. Send me the link to it, and it links for YouTube, and I can do it. Right, reshares. Who's reshared it? No, I'm sorry. I don't see what you're seeing. Not a problem. Not a problem. Just going forward, the best way, if you send me the link, I'll know what it is, and I better find it easier. All right, we're going to ring the bell in. I wanted to thank them. That was all. 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. We are done and dusted, and it's now time for the Apple earnings. Need a pool boy to clean, sir. You need a pool boy. Okay, let's have a look. Right, Apple stock. The portfolio is breaking records again. Look, we're 80,000. Just coming up to 81 is our all-time high. So we're getting close. But we are about to cover Apple earnings. So here we go. Apple earnings. Have they beaten on earnings? Available after hours. Let's have a look. Let's refresh the screen. Have a look. Have we beaten on earnings? I will find out in a minute. The stock is rallying. We're up to date. We're very, very green. The video you put out last night is trending again. People are resharing it. Oh, you mean the video, not the link? You mean the video is being reshared? There's no way for me to know that unless you give me a link. If you go into links for YouTube, if you give me a link to where you're seeing it, I can then jump on in and I can see exactly where it's been shared. And I like to engage with people like poor old John, you know, people like that. I just phone them up. I just phone everybody up. I like to get on the phone and phone people up. That's how I do it. Always shocks people. Why is he phoning me up? People don't phone anymore. They do emails. I ain't got time for emails. I just phone people up. Right, okay, here we go. Chris Schultz, will we both make it, bro? Positive vibrations. Oxygen, earnings tonight. I could have covered it for you, Marek. Unfortunately, you didn't ask me to do it. I was asked to do Apple instead. So there you go. That's the way the cookie crumbles, isn't it? Right, let's have a look. So what time is the Apple earnings? I don't know why I'm looking over here. I need to be back over here. Don't know where I'm going now. Right, the Apple earnings is at not that one. That's not what I want. I want the Apple earnings. I don't want the report. What I want is it is at 4 p.m. Central Time. Okay, well, we'll be live there in a minute then to go early. We've got the report. Let's have a look. Have we beaten on earnings? I'm looking for you now. And the answer is the price 106. $140 a share. Market cap. Just reading the report. Just bear with me. Apple. This was out. We're just reading all of this. Preview earnings call, read full report, preview earnings call. I'm just trying to get all the information I can. We don't know yet what the figures are. Results, I'm listening here. No, not there. Okay, what we're going to do then, we're going to, thank you very much, Joy Daniels. Sri Ram, afternoon, 2.7 up equals 3,800. Stacey Bailey, which crypto? So let me end this stream and go over to our Apple earnings. Okay, so what we're going to do now is going to end this stream and we're going to go over to the Apple earnings. All right, so what I'm going to do is send everybody now over to the extra channel. I've got another video I think I can upload now to Rumble. Was that IBEX? Oh, it was IBRX. Good. That's now done. IBRX, we can delete that. Fantastic. That's done. Right, let me redirect everybody now to the extra channel. How many of you with me? We're just coming up now to 23,000 subscribers, 600 views in the last 1 hour, which is nice. So let me send everyone now to the extra channel. Redirect. Okay, here we go. And then we're going to start the Apple earnings in a few moments. Okay. Right, we're all set. Customization, yes, yes, yes. Let me give everyone the link as well. We'll do it this way as well. There you go. There's the link. I'll also give it to my Rumblers as well. Got a nice audience on Rumble as well. Okay. All right. Right, I'm going to send everybody now to the extra channel as we get set for the Apple earnings. 80,101. Imagine if we get a big beat tonight. Who knows? Right, you ready? Let's clear the boards. Let's send everybody. We'll get there nice and early, and then we'll do day trader of the day as well. So we'll have time to do day trader of the day. Let me send everybody over there now. I'll see you right there at the extra channel, and then I'll start the Apple earnings and I'll bring you back into there. Okay, so go and join me over on the extra channel. All right, okay, see you in a minute. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. See you there in a minute. Bye bye for now.